Where do you come from?
Canada, Quebec.
Canada. Okay. Well, I got a news yesterday that Canada, maybe foreign minister said, your house renting is getting increased day by day due to the over international student. I got a news that.
Yes.
They want to recap to reduce the foreign international student. Mhm.
I wish they would.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Promise.
costs a lot to live here.
Yeah, okay. Well, so what can I ask? You know what? English has a special melody. That's I want to catch the sound. And by the way, I asked to different communities people to use this conversation. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Well, so what do you do? May I know for life?
I work in the restaurant and
Oh.
pharmacy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, two,
I have two jobs.
two job. Yeah, okay. But how many hours you spend with those job in a day?
It depends.
Okay, okay.
Like 8, 9.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Depends.
yeah, okay. Oh, I know you people get the very snow out there nowadays. I see on the news. So, how temperature in your country right now?
-25.
Oh my goodness, what do you say? -25.
It's cold.
Yeah. Yesterday, I got a news from our government that if our country's temperature go below of 15, our school will get off. How mystery it is. 15 temperature is a very massive for yours, right?
Which temperature?
Yeah, temperature. I'm talking.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, but we are not habituated with your weather. If I get a -25, so I think I may not go out of my home.
Yeah, you're not used to it, but we are.
Yeah, I know.
We are
Yes.
used to it.
Mm-hmm.
Like every year, it's like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So
We're used to it.
yeah.
It's winter.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. That's really so cold. Do you like to skating on the snow?
No, I don't like winter. I only like fishing.
Fishing.
Winter,
Oh.
but I don't like winter.
Okay.
It's fucking cold. It's freezing. It's not fun.
Oh, yeah, I got it. I got it. So, come over in Bangladesh, our most of the people like to have fishing. It's the best hobby also.
Oh, really?
Really?
So what's the temperature right now? See,
Right now, it's 16 degrees Celsius.
that's hot for me.
It's hot. It's hot there comparatively to yours.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
you know what? I'm shaking. I'm shaking my body with the cold waving coming here. I'm shaking. You know what? I'm just
Yeah.
capping on. I'm capping on, and I need to wear the hand gloves also.
Yes.
So as you work in the restaurant, so what types of food very popular in Canada?
We like poutine, but I don't know. Steak, pizza, everything.
Yeah.
But in Quebec, it's poutine
Yeah. Okay.
for popular meal.
Yeah. Okay. But what about you? What is your best food?
Mine, it's seafood. I like seafood.
Oh.
Pasta.
Yeah, that's I do like
Yeah.
also. Ah, same to you.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's so good.
Yeah. So come over in Bangladesh and we will go for shipping and catch the big fish, small fish, and we will cook each other and we'll enjoy a little picnic.
Yes, I will enjoy.
So, do you like traveling?
I don't have traveling yet,
But you don't have
but
any.
I wish.
But you don't have any venture to make it traveling.
Yeah,
Uh, which?
maybe sooner.
Oh, maybe sooner, really. So, which country do you want to prefer for the first time?
I would like to go to Ireland or Greece. I would like
Mm.
very much.
Mm.
That's beautiful.
You are going to Greece. Come over in Bangladesh. In addition, after that.
Yeah, maybe one day.
Oh, thank you. Now I'm very happy. Thank you so much. You know, for the shaking, I can't speak and
You're cold.
getting colder. My nose is running.
What time is it in here?
It's 10:27 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
Mhm. So I know it's a deep night in Canada.
Here it's 11:25 p.m.
Yeah, but when do you want to go to sleep?
Soon.
Oh my goodness.
I will go soon.
It's still 11, 12. It's still 4 hours to go. Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
wake up at 6 in the morning, so it's not that bad.
Oh, 6 in the morning. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 4 hours you sleep in a day.
Yeah, but it's not 2. It's 11 p.m.
Hmm. But
It's not midnight yet.
but every mankind should sleep 8 hours minimum in 24 hours.
I know. I know. But it's not like that.
Hmm.
I
Okay,
know.
I understand that.
Some days I sleep 8 hours, some days 4.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.